Hi, I'm Daniel from Technical Service, and today I'll show you how to assemble the TECEsolid 230 volt mains powered version. First, we remove the splash guard along with the actuator bracket to prepare it for the release motor. To do this, we push both red sliders upwards and then remove the splash guard by levering it forward. We take the splash guard with the actuator bracket and clip the holder for the release motor onto it. Just like this, onto the bag. Then we take the release motor and clip it into this guide onto the holder. Now we can put the assembled splash guard back into the cistern. Please note that for the 230 volt electronics, you need to order the transformer separately. When we now insert the splash guard, we need to make sure that we run the cable through the splash guard so that the Stilker connection remains outside the cistern. When inserting it, we need to make sure that the actuator levers are fully extended downwards so that we can hook them into the flush valve. We take the included mounting frame and guide the EasyFit screws through the designated holes. Then here as well, we pass the cables through. Insert the mounting frame along with the screw all the way to the wall. Then we can use these actuator rods for this purpose. They have a small cross at the front which allows us to screw the mounting frame tight. Next, we take the actuator plate, connect the plug connection and clip it onto the mounting frame. On the back of the actuator there is a small battery compartment. The included battery can be inserted here to ensure emergency operation in the event of a power failure. On the back of the actuator plate, there is a small emergency battery that takes over the power supply if there is a power outage. And if you have any questions, just send us an email, write us a WhatsApp message, or give us a call.